So, today we're going to the Halloween ghost train. There's going to be clowns and spooky people. There's going to be clowns and spooky people. I can already see spooky people already. I can see Michael Myers, Harley Quinn and Wednesday.
So where are we now?
Now guys, welcome to Lancashire. Today the video is going to be about on a ghost train. Today we're at the East Lancashire Railway.
It's over it.
I see you. Now we're going into the spooky time of the day. Whoa! Like a wolf call.
These things are hard to catch, but I know where to go. Every town has a lot to choose from.
And Livingston. Passengers, please note this is the final service of the day to all stations to Rottenstall. Any passengers wishing to use this service, please make your way to platform 3 without delay.
Hey, are you still awake? Okay, good. I prefer it when they scream. Look at what I caught. I got another pet to play with. They're really fun when I poke them with a stick.
Come, little children, come and play with mighty wits.
Yep, I'll be another one.
But you
These things are hard to catch, but I don't worry now. Every town has a lot to
Where's yours?
Why'd you be afraid of? Some new things to be afraid of. Starts
little kiddies, let me put you in my little boiling pot and boil you to a lovely meal. Come, little ones, come to me and get some sweeties and put you in the boiling pot, in the cauldron.
Hello there, little one. Want some candy? Come on, it's free. It's really good. I think you're going to love it. It really has a wallop. Candy? I have some candy for you. So sweet. I know you cannot resist. All the kids have a smashingly good time when I'm around. Because I know you. I have the one thing that all children want. All candy is one parent refuse to give them.
That's it. This man is supposed to eat. I don't think this man was supposed to eat this.
Yeah, open your mouth. I'll give you some blood.
Would you like?
And would you like a spider cupcake? A spider cupcake. Oh, where's the spider gone? Spider cupcake.
Bye bye.
Would you like some Halloween corn? Would you like some Halloween corn, kiddies?
What about
Some Halloween
this?
corn.
Thank you so much.
And some eyeballs. Oh my gosh, I see something quite scary, Mom.
I like my little
I'm a clown as well.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
I love this job. Put a smile on that face of yours. Smiles or screams. Either way works for me.
the parcels.
But I have seen people on that side.
It's Halloween at ELO. Halloween, Halloween. You'll see things you've never seen. Halloween, Halloween. When you want me, let me be. Show your friends and clap your wings. Learn to see what darkness brings. Stir your cauldron, cast a spell. Just big and nasty smell. More like a skeleton, howl like the moon. All I know we're leaving soon. All I know and never tell. We're going on a train to hell. Halloween, Halloween. You'll see things you've never seen. Halloween, Halloween. When you come, you'll clap your feet.
You're not scary, I said!
Bob!
Go away!
Bob! Bob!
Bob.
Bob!
Bob. Who's Bob?
Bob!
Bob.
Bob!
You, Bob.
Bob!
Who's that? Dr. Frankenstein. Oh, Frankenburger. You must be related to us. What did you do to him? You called him a loser.
So, like... Who's Granny? Have you got a steering
Excuse me.
Cheese.
What are you like us? You do. You look just like us and much more pretty. That's fantastic. Wow. Are you having a happy Halloween? Yeah. That's good. Do you think can we get some face painting lessons from you after this? Yeah, I think so. Well, brilliant job. What are your names? What's your name? Imogen. Nice to meet you, Imogen. And is this your sister? Yeah. Imogen's sister. What's your name? Brooke. Brooke. Oh, wow. You know what, Skeleton? I wish we had a proper name. I know we don't. Yes, please. Go on. Vanessa. Amy.
Amy,
Right, like
me too, Vanessa and Amy.
Me too.
And what is your name? Hello, Imogen. Imogen, would you like to see if I can see your future in my wonderful crystal ball? Let me see what I can see. Imogen, I think you're going on a train. Oh, is that right?
You don't know?
Is Imogen going on a train?
Yes.
Yes, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bob! 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 Hi! Bob! Ah! Bob! 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 Bob!
What have we got going on here then? The one's looking a bit grey, right mate? Oh, you got moves. You got moves. Want to show your moves to the camera? How many screens are going to get out of you tonight, then, eh?
Bombastic set A! Not you.
15 screens are going to get out of this one tonight. You've been on the ghost train before? You never have? Oh, goodness gracious. She has no idea what she's gotten herself into.
No idea.
No idea. What are you afraid of? What's your biggest fear? Snakes. Well, we got loads of snakes on the train, ain't we?
Oh,
Yes, we got a carriage full of snakes. Look at her face. She doesn't know what to say. I got something to say.
I can see that you're very naughty in school, and I can see you're going on a train journey. Are you going on a train journey? Oh, my crystal ball knew that. I can see that in my crystal ball. I can see
Yeah,
that.
but it didn't say that I'm not a
Foot high skyscraper on the train. Oh no!
That's what my crystal ball told me.
The
That's
60,000 foot
Bob!
And it also tells me that she has a very untidy bedroom. Is that true? Does she have a very untidy bedroom? Yes, that is what my crystal ball's telling me. And it's also telling me that she doesn't eat her vegetables. Does she eat her vegetables?
Yeah, she does.
Really? Oh, well, my crystal ball must be faulty then. I need to take it back to the shop.
I don't eat my vegetables.
You are? Well, that must be why then. It must be getting confused between two. And do you have a very untidy bedroom as well? Yes. The crystal ball sees all.
This is my crystal ball. I'm going to tell you. You're going to buy it.
All aboard, we're leaving soon. All aboard and never tell. We're going on a train to hell. Give us a little jazz hands before we can do your best jazz hands.
worst case scenario. Oh yeah, he was. Yeah, fine, yeah.
Happy to have you on board. As we depart, please remember to keep all grannies under strict supervision. Here we go, steaming and screaming off into the darkness. Very soon, your journey into the unknown unfolds. The Monster Squad will pass through the train to meet you and greet you and make sure everyone is having a fantastically good time. And they are so excited to have you as guests at Halloween, as Halloween is their favorite time of the year. But don't worry, they are all friendly, and most of them don't even bite. Should one of the Monster Squad come and say hello, and you simply want them to leave, that's no problem. Just put your thumb on your nose, and wiggle your fingers, and moo like a cow, and then simply sashay away. Let's all have a practice. Put your thumb on your nose, wiggle your fingers, moo like a cow. Excellent. So, sit back. Enjoy your time with us as we celebrate the most wonderful time of the year, Halloween. We have ghost stories, poems, spooky songs, and maybe the odd surprise. Oh, and if the lights go out, there's only one thing to do. Hold hands with the person next to you and scream! Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Much, you're very kind. And when I say the sheep went baa, I want you all to baa like sheep. Can you do that? Of course you can. The sheep went baa. Oh, excellent. I thought I was on a farm. During the course of this tale, you will hear me mention a shrill, piercing shriek. And when I mention the shrill, piercing shriek, I want you all to shriek piercingly. Can you do that? Yes. Let me hear a shrill, piercing shriek. Excellent. Excellent. Now, time a tunnel was cut through the village of Somerset. It was a dank, dark, dreary day when the labourers started digging, and as the workmen dug to prepare the foundations, one of the labourers hit something in the ground with his spade, and a shrill, piercing shriek echoed across the site. He bent down, pushed back the dirt with his bare hands, and he found 10 stones in the pulled stones from the ground. The wind blew. The thunder rolled. The lightning clapped. And the ship went back.
Riding Hood.
Attention, attention. We've had reports of something lurking at Irwell Station, something that could be monsters. I need you to look out of the window, to keep your eyes peeled, to keep looking out of the window in case there are monsters lurking at Irwell Station.
Mom, there's a sheep.
No flash photography, please. Oh. Well, you guys look awfully fashionable, I'd say. Very nice style that you're going with. Oh dear, is that a wolf? Oh, please don't eat me. I'm just a little
Attention,
grown-up.
attention. No need to panic, and it's probably a false alarm, but there just may be a need for us to practice our monster defense, okay? Now we all know what to do. Put one hand on our head, finger in the ear, shout, nevermore! And again, one hand on the head, finger in the ear, shout, nevermore! Not that you will have to do that, but just in case, that's what you do.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. I see a monster.
Let's look out of the window. You might either this side or that side. One on the side.
Attention, attention! The monsters are on the train! I repeat, the monsters are on the train! Good luck, everybody. There's no need to panic. Just remember the monster defense. It's all for one, and one for all. Oh, my dears, it's been so nice knowing you. No, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. The monster defense, just remember the monster defense. Protect yourself, protect each other. The monsters are on the train. The monsters are on the train. You're doing so well. Hand on the head, finger in the ear, nevermore. We can prevail.
Well done! Amazing! Fantastic! You've got me so excited for Halloween! Let's crank this party up with another Halloween banger!
you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
If it's something weird and it don't look good,
Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. If you see your things running through your head, who you gonna call? Invisible man sleeping in your bed. Ow, who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Who you gonna call? If you're all alone, pick up the phone and call. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call?
It says Leeds is going to be the greatest artist in the world. What do you think of all that? It must be true, mustn't it? Because I've just seen it in my crystal ball. Oh, well, that's amazing. Well, you've been looking at me, but I look forward to seeing all your pictures in the paper. How's that? Little devil.
I want to say different words. That's the end of the videos. Bye. Bye.
Are you all right?
Okay, hi guys. So today we just come off the train. So yeah, it was a really good night. So we'll see you soon. Bye. Bye.
That was so much fun and so scary. What was the most scariest part of it all?
Well, all the monsters came out.
Yeah, when all the monsters came on and started scaring us. Is that what they were, the purges?
Yeah, the purge with people everywhere. What she used for Halloween, but she didn't wear a mask.
Oh no, I think that clown right in the beginning when we first came in, that was the scariest.
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Bye.